Hi, this How to 1 Minute will show you how to add header code or meta tags in Wix website. Follow this updated method to easily add meta tags to your Wix website. First of all, go to your Wix site editor and then click on Pages and Menu. And here select Site Menu. Under Site Menu, you will see all of your Wix website pages. And now search for the page where you want to add meta tag. In my case, I'm going to add meta tag into my home page. So here's I'm clicking on this three dot and clicking on settings. And here click on this arrow icon until you see advanced settings. Just click on that. And here you will find two different options to add your meta tag. You can add robots meta tag. To do that, just click on robots meta tag and here scroll down. Now just click on add new tag, and in this box you have to paste your meta tag and then click on apply and your meta tag will be added. And you can also go to additional tag section. Here you will be able to add additional tags to your Wix website. Just click on add new tag. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.